the way things are going, there's a sort of democratization process going on in the design industry where you can be an individual architect and you can work on multiple jobs with multiple different stakeholders and still work on, you can scale up and down, because if you're using digital technologies, if you're using BIM, you can be, kind of one cog in a big machine and work efficiently.
Right.
You don't have to take it all on. You can take on the stuff that you do. You can specialize. You can be a super specialist. You could just be a super specialist in, like, I don't know, one aspect of design. Like you could be a super specialist in disabled access and stuff like that, and just do that, but still have meaningful input.
Yeah.
And that could be just your thing.
Yeah, just focus on a niche, right?
That's quite possible. It's more, I would say it's more possible, rather than having to employ a very large consultant and say, oh, these guys have got the experts. And it's like, well, actually, you don't need that now. I don't believe when you talk about the ACOMs and the Arcadis and Atkins and anything else begins with A and all the others, all these big multinational ones, they do have really good guys. But the thing is, you're also paying quite a lot with your fee. You're paying for their overheads, and they have offices all over the place and all these sort of inefficiencies that you're paying for. Whereas if you assemble a small team, that's possible. And also you can get good performance. You don't just have to go to these sort of big names to get. It's not. People look at it. It's almost like a branding exercise. You go, oh, it says Mott MacDonald on my drawing, so that's good. Well, yeah, that is good, and they're a good company. I'm not saying they're not a good company, but it's just that how do they differentiate themselves from everyone else, like ACOM and Atkins, when they're all using the same software? They're all using Revit.
Yeah, absolutely.
they're all basically doing the same thing. They all have a GDC. They all have like guys in India that are doing work for them, and you just go, well, what makes these guys different? It's kind of the same. They just have an office in, they might have guys somewhere. They might have guys in Delhi instead of Bangalore or something, but like they still have the same people essentially working as a back office because they're trying to like lower their overheads. And then they're all doing it. They're all at it. So I don't believe that you necessarily get something special for all the money that you spend.